Sea Pointe redid our kitchen 15, 20 years ago, and they did a great job. And in fact, they also did our master bathroom. They did really quality work, and everybody that we came in contact with was very concerned about the work that they did and that they would do it right. And we knew that we would definitely be getting what we paid for. When it came time to completely redo the house, we sought out Sea Pointe again. Our house is a 1956 ranch house, and so everything was very compartmentalized. And so we decided the best thing to do was to actually move the kitchen to where the living room was and turn where the kitchen was into the entryway and take the entryway and turn it into a laundry room. So it has changed the function of the house completely. We did 100 square feet on the back of the house and about 60 square feet to make the laundry room. The impact they make is far and above what their square footage was because, it was designed really well and now it's working really well. The main goal was to create more of an open concept. We wanted to be able to flow in and out with people. We usually have Thanksgiving here, and when I cooked Thanksgiving and I was in the old kitchen, I could hear what was going on, but I wasn't really part of the action. And so now the way that the kitchen is set up, I will be looking toward everybody, and everybody can actually be in the kitchen. So somebody can be at the sink, somebody can be prepping food, somebody can be at the stove, and we're not in each other's way. It's really great.